Hello everyone! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Today I will show you kung paano maghingi ng request sa Philippine main office natin for Philippine payment link. I'll just share my screen. Kailangan po natin maghingi ng request sa collection@jcpremier.com. Okay? And then subject, payment link request. Pwede nyo ilagay yung name. Ilagay nyo po yung name. And ilagay nyo po team. Ewan. Ayan. So ilagay nyo lang, Dear JC. So ilagay nyo lang, Dear JC. Good day. May I request for a payment link? Lagay nyo lang po ang name ng client or ng customer or yung gusto mag-franchise. Email kung saan ipapadala ang payment link. Address sa Pilipinas. Phone number sa Pilipinas or cellphone number. Payment method. Anong method ang gagamitin niya? Debit card ba? Credit card ba? Online banking ba? Over the counter ba? Anong freebies ang gusto niya? Health and wellness kapag outside Metro Manila. Ngayon kapag within Metro Manila, you can ask for food and health. And then, double E pala. And then delivery fee, it's additional 350 for delivery. And ilagay nyo lang yung package, which is Tok franchise. Lagay nyo lang Tok franchise. 16,888 pesos or whatever amount for that promotional date. So ang total amount will be 16,888 pesos plus 350 pesos. So yan ang mga kailangan natin kapag hingi tayo ng Philippine account. And if i-send lang natin yan sa collections department. So nandyan yung name, yung email address, yung phone number para matawagan pag i-deliver yung freebies, and yung address kung saan idadala yung freebies. And anong klaseng freebies ang gusto natin, and anong payment method natin. Over the counter, credit card, debit card, and magkano. So ang total babayaran is 16,888 plus 350. And then you just send the email. So ganun po humingi ng email for Philippine account. So ang ibibigay sa inyo dito is the Philippine payment link. Yan po ang procedure natin sa paghingi. Ngayon, kapag Dubai naman, kung hihingi naman kayo sa Dubai main office or for the international, actually mas madali ang hinihingi ng Dubai. Sa Dubai po, you just email jcpdubai@jcpremier.com. So dyan lang kayo mag-email, jcpdubai@jcpremier.com. And subject, payment link request, yung name, and yung team. Okay? And ganun din po, lagay nyo lang, Dear JCP team. And just write, good day. Requests. May I request payment link for name, cell phone number, email address kung saan papadala ang UAE payment link. Okay? And then, okay lang. Thank you. Maikli kasi ang hinihingi ng UAE office na mga information. Ngayon, ang UAE office is open every day except Sunday. Wala pong pasok ang UAE office and Abu Dhabi office sa Sundays. And between 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sa Pilipinas, I think wala silang pasok ng Saturday, Sunday, pero just make the request. Normally, sumasagot naman sila every day. Pero definitely for Dubai office, since I'm from Dubai, hindi po sila sumasagot ng Sunday. So, ganyan po humingi ng payment link request. So, if hindi nyo magamit ang portal nyo to send the payment link, you can use this procedure wherein you ask a payment link from the Dubai office or from the Philippine office. Sa Dubai office, nga pala, just to extend, you can also write the package, TalkTalk franchise, 1,641 AED. Sometimes we also include the Visa card, which is 31.5 AED. Sometimes we include that. Pero minsan hindi na namin include because you can also ask a separate payment link for the Visa card. So yan po, yan mga option nyo. So that's it. I hope this has been helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video guide. Thank you very much.